Well, good morning, country people. Then with the salute, all man with us, you don't have for front the television for see. Wait it to remain, it don't bring them now only for LTM. You will see them and then all thing and then see all thing because we take time for make a me you understand how country is the worker. Wait the main news, we could turn back again for what will happen for inside the only for government bilingual high school for site for a Tokebe we a mekam. The number one for Central Region, Nasiri Pobia, Governor, USSF, if we come out with SDO and the Joe, so they will go reach for sideway the college ide. What it be happen? They say they so they don't open investigation. Can't reach now. Mommy and Papa, even student them, they say they saw the investigation. Result it don't overstay. They will get for no. Wait till we provoke the student them for do that action for Chakarati them for inside that school. We go come on again, we talk wait don't happen sharp morning time, 4 a.m. for site for Olembe. Now train where he don't kill some man and then Chakara, some woman, he fought for that side, camera for LTM, he be there for that side. Although some policeman, a block camera. Nothing what we talk on yesterday, it don't happen today. Why for Cameroon, we know the year 12 with the year 13. But the same one where we don't catch him, when I get for put eye on top for see where to wait train, it don't cost him for inside the only for quarter where they can say Olembe. One person don't die for this accident and one person get caught where they don't go with them for hospital. We go internal for side where they call them for Buya, Moliko, and for checkpoint go for side for University Junction. Now Wahala, they say they saw those where they carry gun and they shoot for inside bush. They be visit the town yesterday. Can't see only confusion. How people them they take Tokyo and last they don't burn plenty motor. And then they kill people them. They tell we say they so now 5 where they don't enter for inside record. Say they so God it don't miss the neck, it touch on the head. What did happen? Chief for Boissa village alias Muja, he can be on where market it don't finish. Why this man it ever come? Now only time where market don't finish, man enough it talk. Another one now motor where they don't pack him, it catch fire. So for site for Southwest Cameroon, as when they see him. Population they take running because they refuse sometime. Now bomb where they don't put inside the motor. Accident for side for Limbe, my 4 Bonadikombo, where camion a lascan clan on top taxi, clan on top Okada. Now a way taxi SSF, a carry Okada on top the head. He say they so they must go 6 feet. It not be easy. As when I see him, sideway Okada day and sideway taxi day. Another accident now for side for Batoke Road, where taxi man where na eye for NJANGI house. Alias Job Desire, USSF, he carry passenger for go to Batoke. Then Okada man they fly for you back, last, he can jab you for back, and then last enter for inside, ye on taxi, the passenger wound them, therefore he skid outside, but they don't make arrangement. Say this so Okada man, he get for by the back side middle. We could talk again, Palava this one, now hospital them. Where they there for inside bush, now inside conjure and conjure, it then inside camp. Now in that way when I see this one now hospital for site for Ndobian, they say they so they don't cry for government, so they tire hospital where Cameroon government it don't move money plenty, bill them and then send doctor them can run, go open clinic. Hospital is also there for inside bush. Another one, so for that side, now for Ndotorong, they say they so. Then two people and they die for that side for Ndotorong because hospital is not there for that side. Hospital they, but now say doctor them. They don't vanish. They say they so. Doctor them, they don't last go open the clinic for site for Bafang and for site for Bangante, even for Bafosam town. So the debate say this so. Minister with the look out sick people them for inside country. Me try for hip eye for inside this matter for hospital them where they did for inside bush for site for Konjok. Another one again so for Konjok for village where they can say Madip village. Now where people and the talk say this so they don't overget can sick them for that side. And when a chronic sick, people that don't die plenty and they don't get two roads, but road it not be palaver for them. Now hospital where government be don't be them and then last no man in the work for inside Grass, it don't grow, cover them. After now, the hospital itself, it don't collapse. So now, people on that side, they suffer because no one doctor in no be there. Now the hospital that for inside total bush, and this one, now the worst one because the building don't last a collapse as we not see them. Now only LTM, if you show them, me you see them all. And then we could hear now, I for LTM, where you say be tontongori for that side, he get talk for talk, and then person where he should for that village, you say he go talk. For side from Cambe, it be been a chapter for this Ndamba where school picking them. They say where they don't deny for go school. Now person where they call him Commandant Chuyen Bonko, when he says be head boy for seaport for Bonaberi, he be talking to so he go do all and all for make I say me picking them they go back for school and he last succeed. He succeed now for which kind way now palava where he call say this so he go put some cup where now picking them they go play. So picking them now they day for school then for Nkambe Center in the Popa. We go come on now for that one. We go for side where they call them for Dumbu for cattle ranch. Where trouble is there for side for cattle ranch for Dumbu. What is there a problem? They work at them. They complain say they so water for drink. Is there 3 kilometers for go drink water and then come back for work. Even school picking them where they school for cattle ranch for Dumbu. Then too they take the very distance for go take water. Drink up. Even cow, you say they complain, say they so water no dey for a corner, any worker far away distance before you go get water for drink up. And then those where they don't work for this ranch, then to the vet say they so as they go retirement, they know they get retirement benefit. Wait till they pass for that side. And is they say the cattle ranch, it don't have a land for Mbe, for side for Dumbu, and when they get for the give small envelope every month, they say, know the inter. We could talk again, palava this one, now caterpillar, we don't come for fixed road, for come out for side from Mbe, go for side for Kumbo, they say they so, for a place where they call for Lake, where now some quarter for side for Ndu, they be pack this caterpillar them, and then some people them, they come put fire on top, a burn, and where people them for side for Donga Mantum Division, they need to where they call them Kunta Road, so that means they come out for inside mud. Question where people they ask them, say fun for Wimbum land, they begin for go make tradition for a place where they burn this caterpillar. Why can't reach today they never make them? And they say they so number one for new subdivision when a Joe say anything they ever happen for new subdivision, Joe they ever come out book for social media, say this time around for this meningitis, the number year Joe ye on talk. Where till the pass for that side, we get for talk we could talk to Palava this one, where we could have member them for side for Bonaberi and for Douala Town, they be joined for go talk Happy New Year for Chief Bakari, the third for that side, so they be enjoy for the year. They talk say this, so Chief Bakari last year you be over 6'6". This year they don't pray. Say this so you know could they sick again. So plenty people in there where they become for that place. Same story a talk say with it. Same story for sham morning time. It tell we say with it. Same story it tell we say you know if you ever learn monkey for climb tree, even OH it don't catch it. You know if you ever learn monkey for climb tree, even OH it don't catch it. Person we send for we na Patambe is send for we for site for Manfe. Manfe is then inside Manu and Manu for Southwest for Cameroon. Woman we support them, they call them Mahaja Salito. Mahaja Salito, where it is support them for side for Fred Arepo na for side for Douala, and Haja Salito na Pekin for let Imam for side for Binka, na is support them. Nang denge we come back, we go enter inside the chapter. So we get for intern with the time man where they call and say, Kenja man. Yes, Kenja man, we there for side for Buya. Yes, it is try way for same we get videos for what way it don't happen for Buya and we not go see them. So me we internet chapter 1 now wait way concern Yaoundé and we na center region wait way be pass for inside government bilingual high school for side for Etokube. They say they so this matter it be happen so principal again on talk way be the talk meanwhile parents them they talk the on talk And again, student them, they talk their own talk. Now we make them all commissioner them, then come. All commandant them, then come. Parent and two, then come. For what way it be happen. So, last, number one for Central Region, we na governor. And where they call him Nasiri Pobia, where it be first day like Joe for side from Cambe, after they transfer it for side, they call him for Chang like Joe, they want to take it for Chang, they send him for side for Wuri, for Douala, the SDO for Wuri, after Nkonkoma, Isiam say don't work fine, now we send for inside Yaoundé, when na Central Region, me can be governor. Now in that way, it don't come time where you say this so matter day and picking they don't die and someone them the day where they don't wound where they go for hospital. Now way it don't talk enough for inside the on region it get for come. Now in that way red tie. Now think that way we happen. He move this man for inside the office and then it come for day. He want come, he meet up Dio and he meet up again SDO for me fee where if you don't feel it be and if you don't feel it talk say this so no person it never die but now picking them they don't get kind cut. Question where they ask them, now say, what to be provoke this student them for inside classroom and then broke all thing and then broke motor and motor for principal. That means say something in the back. But where government, if we talk say this so, investigation, it go on and where they get for bring the result. Now where mommy and papa them, where they send that picking them for inside this government bilingual high school for Itokobe. They don't they ask questions, say this so, why the investigation in the waste time? Say they say something in there behind. But anyway, they me this one it be na only the last one. Me no can be say it be na part one. Now we governor himself it be go for go take eye see what we happen. It be see motor where they don't scatter them as when they see them broke the waste cream. This one no na motor for the principal as when they see them na motor for principal this where student them they be broke as I be shown. But why can't reach today we never know whether they so. Picking them where they for hospital where they don't get caught according to where the way SDO if we talk then they never carry camera them me they go see them picking them whether they alive or they don't die. Now way all mommy them they ask question why they never carry camera them go with them and why they never make security meeting between the teachers and the student. Anyway they we go so the follow them. Me we gonna have a side for Olembe so for inside Yaoundé sharp morning time 4 a.m. Now trend that way it come on side it come last some man and a woman where they be enjoy the enjoyment they pass now as that one they cross now we trend a clan on top ye so te woman he fought a day we don't scatter but he massa a day na the one way don't die quarter where the go now 6 feet. Now we camera for LTM, he come out, he go for that side. But policeman, where we come for the he can't block camera. Nothing where we be talking yesterday say this so when camera is on side, it make now he on work. As police, it for the for you on work. So this thing it don't overvex the population for side for Olembe. So take fight it be what happen because they don't block camera. And they say this so not the first time we trend it keep people them for this Olembe as we see them. So this one, nothing we camera for LTM, a catch them this sham morning time. As they be one hide them, but they not hide them for Turiman we don't be for that side in the proper. So this accident don't make one person it don't die and one ye foot it don't scatter as they carry him for go with him for sight from doctor with the only pray say me this woman it no die follow ye husband. We come on now, we internal side for Southwest, place where they don't sing and say peace, it don't enter. This one, they say this one for 8 p.m. yesterday, where Wahala enter for that side. They talk say this, so people them, where they say self, they be there for market, they come out, they go, and those where they will take taxi. Now this gone, where start the hala, and then make them then confused. Now in that Muja, when a chief for Bossa village, it ever come on, where all action, it don't happen. They say they don't burn plenty motor, and now those where they get gone, and they shit for inside bush, then come out, say this, so why people them, they respect country Sunday for site for Boya. So they be enter for Moliko, and for checkpoint, the last, God is for play where they call them, for University Junction for site for Boya. Now anyway, all man, it ask them whether they so for University Junction for Boya, where now they way, Kito them, they plenty, how manage where this thing if it happen, we I is also there for upside for this chapter, and why where this thing it happen, where peace if you don't feel be for side for Boya, and for side for Southwest, and they talk say this so, now because they come out person where every day SDO and then they cut in Pudi for Fako, the SDO and the new SDO for Fako, then when they will put it for chair, he be talk for your country people and say the only thing where the female come, me ye glad now say me they know the respect country Sunday. Now we a make this thing now it happen according to the talk where I for LTM it is today with that side. Tomorrow we could turn back day for say me people them they tell we what it really happen. But how these people then they go penetrate for inside town. Also those where they protect we and the property they be there. Question we all man in the accent. So chapter for fire man don't pagi moto and where we get for going Gando last now fire. I say fire a tech motor. Can't see how people in the tech Tokyo because some people them they chase it sometimes na bomb because the novi pack motor and then off the engine and then motor catch fire. So the man if you don't wash your skin, a finish wash arm, a way you close, polish your shoe, say this so a one got enter motor for going Gando last. Now it get for enter now inside Okada or we get for climb on top Okada for go side will go because motor it don't catch fire. Anyhow, we could see all things for inside country. One with the Siam, find one with the Siam. Me we international side for Limbe for talk palava accident come young. It don't last a very thing where they call him taxi and even Okada man. Yes, except a leave Okada a run. Now so it be happen where a make now Okada man a last a run die but a leave Okada me die yin a taxi. Now taxi that where a carry Okada for head. They say na kako. Now Okada that on top taxi head. Taxi to the carrier. Oh man, it don't check sense. It the pass then say this so how taxi could manage carry Okada on top your head. When na camion it don't jam them, so take it happen so. Well, chapter for accident for inside Cameroon. They no fit pass with this kind of thing it never happen. So say for Limbe. I for NJANGI house, he says with the on taxi, he don't can't get problem. Now time we be go for bad talk. He can't reach for ye. Okada man for you back. Pop. Oh, we find out wait you. He last. He can't enter lane number 5 passenger for inside this man ye taxi. Now the taxi that now Okada that way stand. And now the Okada he don't do that bad work as we see. When you talk for them, say they go small. He they say diarrhea, he don't catch them where they get for go quick. When I see that way, he last interlane number 5 passenger. And this taxi na taxi for Mr. Job. Yes, Job when a reporter from NJANGI house as we see him. And na Turiman too for site for Limbe. So now he taxi this way it ever managed day for any living for site for Limbe. Last now. Taxi, this sharp morning time, he don't finish go for garage because Okada man, na goat man and na go Samaritan. He don't talk to this, so he get for fix the taxi back. Me, he did as we did. If he be then as on site sometime when I for years it so he don't disappear. Yes, if he be been as on town the Yaoundé and Douala, they for jam so and then just slice the okra or they for disappear like a devil. When I see him, so all man they think they pass it say, but how? Road a big like this one. What a make him Okada man a can't enter now in this. They know they ever get the money. Yes. He don't stand now the man way sometime now God he picking. But way thing will be there for your heart na different thing. So when I see the taxi he back screen now he way it don't broke. May we enter chapter for hospital then for inside Konjok. May we start now for this hospital for site for Ndobian. Ndobian na village where they for inside Konjok and Konjok there for inside Nkam. And Nkam na a whole division. Ha. Like that, hospital for inside bush. Why the population for site for Ndobian, they know the cleaner. They say they don't clean and so they tire. Then the weekend talk say they so doctor they come tomorrow. They go clean them, chapia, and then try way for dry clean the floor, me it shine. They go sit down, they go pass, they not go see no doctor. And wait for paper for inside your own, they show say they so doctor them, they work for this hospital. But when you go face to face, you see say this so no nothing, it know they happen. And where this hospital, now Cameroon government, it don't move your money for build the hospital so that me people on that side for Ndobian, me they know they die careless. Another hospital again is also for Konjok. Now this one for Ndotorong. Yes. Hospital for Ndotorong. Ha na Kimampe. Na Kimampe. Me we see Ndotorong hospital. Oh man don't vex. Yes. Cheffery for 3rd degree for site for Ndotorong. Cheffery it don't vex. I say the chief don't vex. Because you people, they don't talk, say they don't tire. Government don't do them fine work. But it never finish the fine work. Now he will ask and say, wait till they wait doctor never finish them. They say, no, doctor be get for make this hospital, bring the hospital, the doctor them, can't show up for the population. They the only see now only paper. Where they show say they saw doctor they come. Now how many years? Now how many years today? They the only see in a picture. Doctor they never wrote. That means say, if doctor they be the work on foot, can't reach now, they never don't reach. Fine hospital like this one. Now monkey, he be head, be chief doctor. And then cutting grass. Now he way, he did the doctor. Drum beep. Now he did the clean floor. Meanwhile, the other one, bed them. Now them then they get people them. This thing, it don't pass all man. Another one again, now the one for Madip. Madip Hospital. Higher. All this population, where they try for bring development for Madip Junction, they don't tire. And they lost some power after yesterday because time where the past start for sake. For say me then go with and go with and for Bafang, it be na problem. Road, na problem. Forget moto, na problem. Na only Okada. And Okada people them na people the way they work them for inside farm. When something they wrong, that time when they call them, they come. Hospital for inside bush. When I see them, I say for total bush. When I'm a small one. Total bush. And this one, it don't overhaul. Last collapse. Lap again na lap. As when I see them. Now money this way, it go for inside water. And where if they begin the hospital for different village, sometimes doctor them, they for accept for can work. As they go for them for this side for Madip, sometimes now the name for the place in the make them, doctor them they fear. And there was one that say, doctor them, they also take their salary. And where they know the work. They also go take salary. And where the hospital there for inside bush, and it don't collapse. Me, we ask them now for I for LTM, for site, for Conjog. Countryman, this hospital, it didn't for which village? And waiting, the people for they first time, the trouble. Me, we yet we go talk. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so this one a centre de santé intégré for Madip. Village for Madip. Où est for inside arrondissement for Conjog, département du Cam, région for littoral. On a si how we des bâtiments étaient abandonnés dans more than 10 ans. Where them become bilam, how on a dit so them don't start up charpenter after them don't leave them go. Since then the village self, you know say person where he be gagné des marchés before he start so after he just abandon them. Now if it's a man sick for the village, like a Madip, if this centre be opérationnel, like the help all people where them there, woman them do one born, them go must grab for here, go sauter from Konjo, ou go for Bafang, where if this centre de santé intégré for Madip, it be opérationnel ou them be finish am. I sure say like people them not die. Like the one way them they say from Dubian, them they come for this centre for here, for come take them on guérison. Mais now, when I see how we it for inside grass, when I see population don't chapi asute don't tire. Now you with them too, them don't abandon them. Now you with the house for government say, don't the man we don't get, we be take this market, it didn't for Usaye. Them don't know no place where it is. Now the question that way would the house some. Who know? Now so money the for Cameroon it is. All man go come, it chop am that so after he grab he go. Now you with the house for people with them the game market. Say people them go bill am. Say na so who them don't get the money, who them don't be covered the money, and now we them don't abandon them. So with population them they for die. We like a man the sick for Martin, man the sick for Mine, man the sick for Ndoksamba, ou for Mabombe, ou for Ndobian, like they come for here for Madip, for come say infirmier will go be for here, he help. Now we there for inside bush so who come man. Now you with the house government say il must try for réagir.
Population villageoise vraiment d'ici à Madip. Sollicitons, n'est-ce pas, l'aide de l'État, qui essaie, n'est-ce pas, de jeter un coup d'œil sur ce centre de santé qui devait servir, n'est-ce pas, les villages tels que Ndobian, tels que Matine, tels que Yamsan, et même les villages, n'est-ce pas, des alentours. Et aujourd'hui, n'est-ce pas, nous voici dans une situation d'impasse où vraiment, si nous voulons, n'est-ce pas, nous faire soigner, il faut qu'on prenne le temps d'aller soit en Doxamba ou bien, c'est un cas comme ça, quelqu'un peut même mourir comme ça avant d'arriver même dans le centre de santé, qui est, n'est-ce pas, très distant ici chez nous. Mais aujourd'hui, là, il faudrait vraiment que l'État fasse quelque chose, vraiment, et que les pouvoirs publics aussi, n'est-ce pas, essaient de voir comment est-ce qu'on peut faire pour résoudre ce problème-là. Vraiment. Aujourd'hui, si quelqu'un est malade là, ou bien s'il y a un cas, il faudrait qu'il prenne beaucoup de temps pour se rendre ou à Bafang ou en Konjok. Et pourtant, on avait, n'est-ce pas, déjà une aubaine sur place qui devait pallier à ces problèmes de santé-là. Vraiment, que l'État essaie vraiment de faire quelque chose par rapport à nous, population villageoise, qui voulons encore voir, nous voulons vraiment voir ce centre de santé vraiment à jour et pour que ça puisse vraiment nous soulager. Mais l'État essaie vraiment de voir ceux qui ont gagné ce marché-là. Parce qu'aujourd'hui, là, nous sommes vraiment un peu, nous sommes désolés parce qu'on ne connaît pas celui qui a gagné ce marché. Où il est où il est encore ici au pays, où il n'est pas ici, on ne sait pas. Parce que les infrastructures de l'État, ça a coûté beaucoup de millions comme vous voyez là dans l'herbe. Et pourtant, nous, Camerounais, nous souffrons.
One day, it will be better when we show and so. That means it's more time. Then two, they go fix them. Country people them. Yes, small time they go fix them because when to the man he don't show something, that means they go make fix them. Me, you gonna have a fight for campus for top this palava way. They will not talk to me people not go for school. Now this countryman where they come and say, Commandant Chiwe will be try way. For bring picking them together, me they understand say education is be important. So if they put thing where they come and say tournament for picking them for school. So more than 26 students they don't register. More than 26 students they don't register and they will play the tournament. And this one now second time where they put this cup. And if don't buy mommy and papa they say so when you keep your picking for house or you carry them, you now go for farm. That means say when you carry chop way you get for go send them. Way you go for farm, you no go no money. So first thing I say when I say picking for school. People that when they say they say they get gone and when they should have a bush, they be telling me picking no go for school. Now Dr. Nkweti Simon Daw when at the SDO for Donga Mantum Division, where you get for go for East Region, like SDO, USSF, now he be talk. I be glad for this edit for that side for Cambe. For thing we don't do, I'm so take picking and they go for school now. Plenty. So it will be a day where they will play the finals for site for Nkambe Municipal Stadium. Fun for Nkambe day, fun for Njabide. That one a fun for Bongom on Avosa, yes. And then fun for Kungi day for day. Then the other people there. So all them they will talk say they don't really play this final and then they don't do. Now time for sing national anthem. As they stand for up, now they feel that we don't cast salute the person we now Dr. Nkweti Simon Daw. And this one now person we a day now delegate for sport for site for Donga Mantum Division. Now he get for go now, go salute the picking them. After now, he make kick off, he talk for the picking and say, me man no for them say me they remain for house, say for house, you know go get sense. Better than say me you go your school, go the learn. And then to practice for the play ball because when I come be for national team tomorrow. So nothing that way, this big man way the local sport for site for Donga Mantum Division, he talk for all this picking them. Anyway, the way picking them for site for Nkambe Central, they improve now for Palavandamba. It shows one day when I go say this so now them they could get national team like the others. So they be work a fine as when I see them. So they become make kick off as when I see them. They not come ras. So now for sure say this so this team sometime it don't go succeed for win, but last now them they succeed for win. So people them where they will go for the finals it will be na GS Bojo Bojo Fonja. Yes, he win the trophy because they will play the final with GS Concept. Yes, with the GS Bojo Njap, he win them 2-0. So GS Bojo Njap, they will get the prize 300,000. Meanwhile, GS Concept he get 200,000 francs. So ultimately, when they will participate, they will get the envelope for 50,000 each school. So it not be easy. So all man for that side, they glad say it is so. Commandant Chuye Monkurwe na he says they support people for that side. Say it is so. Me go only before na time this will be the art. They will give the trophy them for all the school the way they will participate for the tournament. So and this elite where they come say Commandant Chuye Monkurwe, it send message for all place say this so. Me they take good example for this tournament. Make and two for their own zone. Me picking and play. No, na only people in that tournament get for the go before. So now so it is. We come on now. We talk about this party rise for side for Dumbu. Where it don't make news. Even for newspaper, a whole company. When at the end they make aggregate a car with aggregate team them for that side. So what kind of they complain? Say they so place where they go drink water. It then more than 3 kilometers. They come over our place, leave work, go drink water, come out again, come back. Even for them, they not get water for drink. Cow them where they lay they not get water for drink. Now when they walk out them too, they talk to them so they rebel the big man for that company. Me try way for bring water for inside company because person pay for 1 day for seeker water and then he die. And then the talk to them so even the school picking the way they over suffer for palava water and even road to go for this cattle rice for Dumbo. They wrote over war and grand road where persevere hard for the catch person. So with the back to say this, so even now we not say money in no day, but me the try way for rest some money, make community work, clean this company, me they clean because this company Nangomna company where it say it not forget this kind of problem. Now government school that where they picking into they suffer. Work at them too for this company that they vex say this so since when they go retirement they never get retirement benefit come today and they also ask their money say me then give no man it not the give so now road that for go for cattle ranch where grass it don't cover them all and a sideway come away where one tap a day now this side so with the back say this so me then look inside and this cattle ranch is then for some person in land and the person now the fund for site for Dumbu where we get for the get money every month where na cattle ranch it give and it show them say they know the give no one cover because that way for that side for new tea it ever pay money for the fund for new because the company there for the land why cattle ranch you know they drop to the on money for fund for site for Dumbo ye on pocket so it not look normal so with the big man for cattle rice for Dumbo may try way for look inside this matter and then satisfy people them because water and life water be important for person as it be important for cow so plenty things that see there where we get for talk for this matter for cattle rice for time for new the people that don't confuse. When something ever happen from do subdivision, now so people that they come out talk for social media. Population for Donga subdivision and for Wimbumland they don't suffer for inside month for plenty years. Since 1954 when they begin division, Donga division, they did na inside month. Then when they don't cry. Cameroon government here say they so these people they don't over cry. And a sideway peace a day. Why we don't help them? That way it talks they so they get for tar the road. National road number 11 say they get for Tarap. And they get for come over side from Bamkikai, for side for Nsoland, pass for side for Tatum, carry for side for Kakar, reach for Ndu, pass from Ndu here, go reach for side from Kambe, before you go reach for side for Miseje, pass go reach for side for Dumbo, before you go for that side for before you enter for inside in Nigeria. Yes. Go for that side for Gibanjikum, before you go enter for inside. So they can't burn the caterpillar them. And they burn the caterpillar that they ask and say now who? They say unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen na name for some person, then say no. Why the people then decide for a new subdivision? They never come out for water, for peace for that side, go for play with the don't burn caterpillar. All man knows she don't. From the for that side for Wimbumland, then she don't. No man never go for the government tradition. Do for new subdivision, when he says we go for there. Tell we talk what will don't happen and what we want to see the population they do. Ye say we never hear. Then they you them. They say when will they be for back this development? All you them they don't quiet. All politicians they don't quiet. What they back? What they behind this boningitis? Something there for back this burning. Ain't na politicians they don't do am. Or if na say na politics, na bulls, the name for the company na bulls, they don't born a caterpillar. And we come for bring development for inside Donga Matumbo. And if we take you all the way for come up from there, Tara go for side from Bamkika from Southland. And then Map company will take from there for go for site for Benju for police station. And then another company will take for there for go reach for Mr. J if they don't start the burn caterpillar. That means say work no will go before. If now the company man said man will get these bones. If we get two for top, if we get for top, then you know she don't quiet. That means say now how this matter they say it won't be flu. We know they understand. So people try for 25 country people they understand. We internet for inside the for top whatever this one where we put out for Ponabere and the one for Douala town. They will decide for invite all everything and all the title holder them, and then we will go talk Happy New Year for Chief Bakari the third. Chief Bakari the third. Where now what will end it for Wimbumland. Women them they will come up plenty. They come say this so they never come for can salute their chief. They remain for back. So Mamanjo, yes, Mamanjo, Erica, and then yes, the one a president for women for Wikuda. All them they will come for day. They say this so they get for talk Happy New Year for Chief Bakari the third because last year he skin you know be a fine. Yes, now Messi that Madam Messi we all them they be there for that side, so they be there plenty. Even some elite will be there for inside America. Will be there for America. USSF it be come and then it talks now in that way they talk. Now man way it be commodity owner from America. It will work for some bank where we never call the name. So it pay for retirement. He don't come meet up with brother them. Say this kind of thing not be so. It remain for back. And this countryman it could cook for yes general meeting for site for Bonaberi. Now he go cook for number 3 day for February. So na Chief Bakari that way it all the time you country people they say he glad plenty from say you country people and then check for come saludi and then time for one calendar the day God of say when he be head boy for Wikoda Douala town. So now all them this they become as when they see them. So plenty thing in the way this countryman be talk and then if we talk say this so 2024 now commandant Chuye Bunko that man we don't make a school to go for site for Kambe Central. So all them they be there for inside this matter and this man be glad after they be danced and the one dance they talk say this so now under God you one he did for front. So not be them they are the come back with calling. So thing where we get for talk now, nothing where we not know. We on for LTM now for make and semi peace a day for country. So when we want to talk nothing way if we make man learn, thing way if we bring peace, no talk nothing way if we scatter country. Because if nothing way if we scatter country, we the off the call and then we take person way in the reason where if we propose something, where if we bring peace. Because we need na peace. Yes. We not really live for inside disorder. And at the still back when I say this, so when they talk to me when I try for visit the Facebook page where you name na General MOKO NJANGI House LTM. Where you enter inside, try for copy the link, share them for your friend them, share them for all your contact. That one could make and say, man way there for some light no day, it could take advantage for Siam. And for share them, you know they cut data. You know they cut you data. I don't know why when I know one for share the link. Country people. The only thing when I support they na say me when I copy the link, share on all sides. That means say when I don't support the Toureman. Because it don't pass when I for support with money. But when I support for the share the link. Yes. So we sister talk say this, so why we not salute the armed people them for side for being can no we salute all village. You see I'm no? We don't know people them for that side. Now them get for indicate me we know their names. Madam for that side or Madam Haja or na Haja, yes, Haja Salito. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Good morning, countryman. You be the first caller. Your own name and the side we call. You get advantage for 20 seconds for talk.
Yeah, thank you, General MOKO. I call from where?
Yes, way for that side for Northwest.
Yeah, thank you.
Your own name. The people that way she don't go way no good name.
My name Nanji Oscar.
Yes, NJ Oscar. Yes, we hear you.
Yes, I talk na palabra da caterpillar where they born now. So that means they don't want development because we would even cry. So Bamenda road come down, no fine. If they for even make that opportunity for fine, then they don't get that advantage. So they reborn the caterpillar. Then that means they don't want development for that side or the house. So you know fine. So then they just be with the thing. We no correct.
Voilà. So
yeah.
First call I don't call for we, and we beg the cameraman for side for whom may try for video without route we yes say it they don't start the fix some with the time to honorable while Richard we don't fight for you people them so they don't they fix their route 650-608498 now first number. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, your name and the time we call you get 20 seconds for talk.
Good morning, MOKO.
Yes.
I'm calling from Sancho.
Your name na Sancho or your name na Chang?
Tato Emmanuel. Mr. Tato Emmanuel.
Yes. What you ever tell me for 20 seconds, sir?
My brother, that can pay no bonus. So they know how much they want to pay the cost.
I know, say what?
If you buy Caterpillar,
I know.
they don't say Caterpillar when they feed their road, they put and say they know the cost of the Caterpillar.
My brother, there was also remain for inside mud.
Very bad. I say bad. It's a very bad thing. Okay, Papa, stay fine. Oh, God bless you.
Thank you for that side. We take another person again. Hello, countryman. Hello? The caller don't go. When you insisted me when I enter for inside the Facebook page, try for a share them. Because no na outside for Cameroon we get light. And me people then stop for the beep. We know the beep for here. Credit said na how much. Credit na how much. We take this man. Hello, countryman.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, how you doing, no?
No, they're fine. Now, wine bomb if I go for Penja.
Yes, one month for Penja. I have for Penja today.
No, Penja, they're fine.
Yes. What you going to tell me for 20 seconds?
Yeah, so I thought that this is back for Boya.
Yes. That's it for
More
Boya.
time, that's more time, Moja will come off outside, they make a more boy. They do for mobilize. Or if you say mobilize, you put them for come out so that the put security will be all side immediately stop.
Now, Moja that. Small time you go see first, but Moja. Now, Moja don't go make video. Where the
Yeah, but empty more people don't die, people don't lose property. Right?
now, in that, now, Moja, you don't see this. Yeah, but Moja, no, you do now, you walk. If you do now, you walk, no?
I do not work for getting always working.
No, not forget small thing. Moja, they can't be on.
For make a finish security be for boy, fine.
Then you don't see Moja will work with moto and then with military them for inside for protect the population for side for back.
But don't die for their motor that don't burn. If they will say.
But Moja don't compensate so you motor where they use them for protect the population, don't spoil. No man no they for support it for fix them.
So okay, we'll make the population to the try for push more with the boy.
Yes, now so. Yes. Moja in motor don't spoil. If the motor be there fine, sometimes Moja, if for catch people and way they don't come burn people and motor kill people. So yes, people then get for support Moja. Me if it's the moto. Hello?
Hello, good morning, Jeramoko, Lefon Isaac, I call from Bamenda.
Lefon Isaac, you don't make 3 months, we never hear a voice, or now because they be the fear for send we Happy New Year, Manono, now Cameroon. What you ever tell we countryman?
Yeah, the two of them have to talk at the very that because of this issue will happen for Boya and the burning of caterpillars. Look, we explain, speak the truth. Cameroon government make it be careful with the contractors. They take advantage of certain things.
Yes.
They put up well, what would you say? Now, government wrote this. The whole town like just deal with the work day now to stop the work. They cannot expect to why stop the work. The reference hospital for Bamenda and Shawe, the foundation of the work. Now, non-government stop up. Who put the rest of work for work? No way to get that contract for work. Because of this careful, the play the work is a risky area. And some of the contractors who don't know they can play a game after they get on non-government and then eat the money. Cameroon government trying to play to him. They get to go for table discounting for the people. Look at Bola yesterday. Everything with the talk said, how can you get the country to get the problem when you don't want to go to the table and talk and to save their own citizens of the country? And then every day they blame A, every day they blame B, they blame C. No, when you are married to so many women, and you are number 2 woman, you get problem. Go with a couple and talk with table, discuss with your in-laws.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello?
Hello, good morning, General MOKO.
Good morning.
Yes, Linda from Bikoko the talk.
Yeah, Linda, how for Bikoko today?
No, Bikoko they fine. Bikoko they for thank God.
What you get for tell we today?
Yes, I was talking about that caterpillar they born that Bamenda road.
Yes.
That boy they do very bad act. You can't born caterpillar they bring up for bring with development for Bamenda. They not fine.
Yes.
Then I would like to talk say when they not say Kennedy for Northwest and Southwest. When they want go do some work so for bring good development, make they go with securities. Don't try to base the government then when the people they go for government, when they bring in securities there for the guidance because they not say Kennedy for Bamenda and Southwest. May work not be so with security not there for their corner.
Thank you for that side for Bikoko with the salute all man for that side for Bomono. Bomonoga and Bomono Babenge with the salute all man from Kappa with the great all man. We didn't have a pack for side for Suza and those with the day for inside markets. We salute all man for that side for Penja. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Who they talk the person there for side?
Are they forward?
Yeah, on them now, waiting.
I want to talk about that road, that caterpillar road with it, that caterpillar with it, they want to go. That's for the knowledge development.
Come on, come on television, madam.
That is for the knowledge development because when they report and so forth, also would they put the shop of our road, they don't be selling that caterpillar, they keep fish in our village.
Well, they will send them some more time. Salute all man for side for Kappa.
Only that caterpillar when they born and so they don't have a make but you know fine so they keep born caterpillar they see how a road that you wall they don't really make that kind of action when they make and so.
Thank you. We salute all man for phone board, we salute all man for phone man, we salute all man for side for Kotaba. Hello? Another caller again, a day for line. 20 seconds. Hello? Another person don't show your face. Hello? Morning, sir. Okay. We take another line again. Hello, countryman. Hello? We don't talk so we want call you off the volume for your TV so that me we hear. You know the corner me. You the corner people that way they follow the program and now only for LTM where you feel see them all. Call and then talk because talk where you get them sometime that you wait if you help we. Yes. Hello? Another person again. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, General MOKO.
Good morning, countryman.
My name is Lawrence Bongo. I'm your package. You are the caller for Bomono.
Yes, Bobono.
Yeah.
How Bobono?
No, Bomono, they well.
What you get for tell me now for 20 seconds?
I never talk about that road.
Yes.
That caterpillar on the bottom.
Now for your village now?
Yeah. My own she said, we will follow the tradition. We follow conservation. We go make conservation over there. I should say, the single worker. Because any man will know. She don't. People that know she don't. The dog, they go under caterpillar. We make contribution. We make tradition.
Okay, but why when I found them, they never go for them for go make tradition?
Why would the dog will left here with the chiefdom for village? We go for joy, go make tradition for there. They will make tradition for there. Any person where the road she don't plan for under caterpillar. You cross for that road, where caterpillar don't fix them, you will die.
Okay.
I don't say worker.
Okay.
Yeah.
We take another person again. Hello, countryman. Small time we come out.
Hello, General.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, General.
Yeah, how about Mr. Jessa?
Fine.
What you got to tell me? No, you do for noise. We never take you for noise. Me will go for white man country, go take countryman. Hello?
Good morning, General MOKO.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, General, I just want to comment on this, the caterpillar with the born. My name is Small Scale Enterprise, I call from Germany.
Yes, we hear you, sir.
Yes, for this caterpillar with the born, there is some problem. They say there is no smoke without fire. Before 2016, they nobody destroy anything. They nobody will be welcome everything. When something happens, so the act is not good anyway. But there is a problem. If they can solve that problem, this matter for destruction and killing and so on, it would happen again. And they not become for a whole community, so they born. So any man of village said no, non-gunman, non-gunman, it's not true as you earlier talk say. Non-gunman is nobody's there. People they stand into the 1 minute make the government or the people responsible, but they know that there is a problem. When they solve this problem, no destruction no will be. Now my point one that I want to go now for the action will take place for Moliko Boya yesterday.
Yes.
Now just this same thing again, still the same thing for let the government knows it there. So there is a problem. War day on and it never finish. May not begin the same people that say war don't finish where it never finish. They don't come, they come on bumping innocent people, they are moto, do all that thing and so munja, all military, all the devil boy, all the day, they be hear the gunshots, nobody came out. So what's that security today?
What do you propose?
Let government try to sit down with the people they do this thing. It is possible to sit down and end this matter, General MOKO.
Okay, but they don't hold national dialogue for solve the matter. They say some people them they not be one for understand. Country people. So this matter killing, burning, when I see say na only we with the loss because you did do only for your brother. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO. Good morning.
Morning, you got 15 seconds. Your own name now. Who you call for outside?
My name is Aisa, the call for Yaoundé.
Yes. Talk me with
yeah, I want to talk about that caterpillar, the way they born and so.
Yes.
Those boys, they do a very bad act. So, as for me, I firstly made a chief there for that village, made a call, all man for that village, made a come out. Place where that caterpillar became a ticker, made a ticker will hand them so that they will understand what we mean by development.
Correct. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who did talk the president of outside?
Yes, I will call today for Suza.
Yes. How about Suza?
They're fine.
Yes. Talk me here.
Thank you. My name is Mr. Omega. I will call for Flora, the caterpillar where they don't want and so.
Yes.
And then they tend to overworry me. If it became for me, they long that cheap for village, they make that on the fashion where they don't know that because they don't take this kind of fashion and no worker. And second thing I say, for me, for Suza, plenty has a day where light don't hold. What put pay a pay for light, they say never no day. People don't know overborn where we for look for beginning, you know they want to sing 3 days today.
Since the video you will not get light.
3 days one day for that. So how the way to the pain what do they call it?
No, I don't hear. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Yes.
The level Nigeria respect this country. About blaming of people criticizing and saying that of no government or all this. The last caller people they take the two things like I have to the top. The country is not at rest. It's not at rest. Even it is not easy for people to come there. It's not easy. The country to respect its own people who go to the office.
Okay, we don't hear you. Last caller, me will come out. We salute all man for Ekondo Titi. We salute those who they did the other side for Bangam. We salute all man for side for Loom from Banga. We salute those for other side for Yabasi. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who did call the president for side?
Na Sheikh Kabiru for Tibati.
Sheikh Kabiru for Tibati. Come good for Korea house. We hear you.
Yeah.
We hear you talk. Time no day. You don't go. Sheikh Kabiru. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO. Good morning.
Yeah, hi there. This man they talk about rich man.
Hello?
Yes.
Good morning, General MOKO.
Yes. Come up for corner television now, countryman.
Yes. And they talk now, General MOKO.
Yes.
They talk about issue for the Tukebe. Between the people who get out, they put their military. Now, before they put their military,
Stand by.
they come out for they don't want caterpillar here and there. They say investigation to go on. Since coming now, no investigation, no day. It don't happen for Goya. They will say investigation comes now, investigation, no day. Any small thing that happen now for the country, they put their military for the president. Now, so if you did before,
I don't know. Hello? When When you want call, come out for corner noise. We salute all man for side for Tico. We salute all man. We a day for side for Misaka Village. We salute to Chief Daniel Dipoko. We watch the program. We salute all man for that side for my 14 and my 15 for side for Boya. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, we don't get time. Give me your name and talk quick.
Yes.
Okay, man, they call you, they come now. Yes, yes. So you understand, say no be there with we. Hello? Hello? Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes, who there for the outside the call?
Mr. Adi Godfrey. Alias Commander Man. Adi for the day.
Yeah, Commander man, we don't promise we will never see him. So Commander man, we will hear you.
Yes, the Panama, where this shooting is still also my brother. I bet these people they give for where man comes, they don't carry their family or they go hide them. Then they send their money, send materials, they come for kill me. What are those materials they pass? We don't understand. When Cameroon government, they try, or let's say those people, or they make them come back for that country, then they enter for Cameroon, so they move to the airport.
Okay.
And they even for eliminate them.
Now Commander man for that side for Eshimbi. Now they talk. So for the people when the program not finish, me man not call again. Me man not call because you call now we not fit pick you. We don't give you a time where you fit call. Yes, program not finish. Yeah, you know say some big program they wait there for back. After we that program will come. And it didn't for Cote d'Ivoire, I know didn't for Yaoundé. No easy. Oh. When you want videos on 2% about Tureman, hold your Android phone at this size, but Caesar head in all the December for Cameroon. As we talk every day, man a year, but time way you want videos on thing, it put phone for your own way. If you know hold on phone, better than someone remain with your video than for waste your data for send and for me where I know sure. Better price for video, send and for me now so you get for hold your phone. Your video and send them for me for that number. But when you hold and phone, now camera and na television for those who they don't die, they not there again alive. So me I see them on alive, and the television see they alive, the team is there alive. So no send them for we because we there alive and we on television now flash screen way now so it ever stand, and we on camera now so it ever stand. Now I get for send when now talk. Not ever be complain. Say they never show thing where you don't send them. Because if you send me something, you not tell me what will happen. And place where it happen. You want somebody will show and talk say it happen for side. We not be sure because we not get information concerning the thing. First thing that. Second, if you know the year with the salute people then for your village, now because they know they participate for the program, even for write for our page, even for call the program, so even for support for send story, they know they indicate for no anything, so we no get for know them. We don't know now those where they be active for the page and live for TV, for calling and for any for different things them. If you no get something where if you support the program, they send we panable. That means you don't support the program. Yes. You don't pass people them for support with money, but me when I support for share only the link. For share under the link so that make all man begin to follow. If they never share the link, this man will call for Germany. If you know for know the program. Now because some person be send the link, he says pick and for day, he follow up. So with the time, those where they send the link, me when I not forget say this, so this program now God the program. The more you dey work on top the program, now the more God they bless you. When I just try see them, for share them, see whether it is so your life not go change. Now God. So with the time Mr. Francois na himself a match button for inside Toure house today. And they call me na General MOKO. General we know the worker who gone, but in the worker in now we broke for sweep all dirty for Cameroon and for water, me water carry and go, me country in know the smell. We salute all the people. Yes, we the day for side for Japoma. And we salute those who go for side for Kan Yabasi. For Mami Miriam, you on a place, and we salute those who did it for Ansen Sonen Kololo. We know they forget those who did it for Central Bank. We salute Makombi. Yes, Makombi way, now he instead do me bad again. my uncle be way they call him Emmanuel Takwa. Yes, when I tell you international, you don't instead put the combi now for down now. How you go get friend and then friend they put it for down? You see now say this so this life is not balance. That means a man go get nana enemy, no. So we salute Tanto, yes, Duke Saga. We did for that side for Souza. We salute all man for Souza. Say we go send report at me, try wait for ask question for people then concerning light. We don't make 3 days. So I go for the go. If you don't see me, no say I don't disappear like a devil, and I get for appear like Jesus. We don't wait time for more than 100 years. Bye bye. We don't go tomorrow.